Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the respond with a text message when you're already on a phone call or something like that, or you're busy and you get a phone call. Well, you can pretty much change this to whatever you want besides the default responses. So we can go up to settings right now, select this and back up. Go to phone under settings. So you'll see voice memos, messages, FaceTime. Let's go to phone. Scroll on through here and go to respond with text. Now, these are the default responses. Sorry, I can't talk right now. I'm on my way. Can I call you later? Pretty simple ones, right? These quick responses will be available when you respond to an incoming call with a text. Change them to say anything you like. So we can go to one now. It'd be like, I'm playing video games or something like that. Video games. And then you should be able to just save it by simply backing out or switching to a different one here. Back out and then go back in. And that will be one of the responses now if you are receiving an incoming phone call. So you can just tap I'm playing video games or I will text you back later. I'm busy at work right now. So you can change the default responses. That's kind of cool. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.